Hi there, today we look at part 57 of our tutorials. Here we build a plant shop dashboard. This is one of the most amazing projects I've found. We have specified the inline CSS we will use. We create a container with 3 columns, 3 by 6 by 3. The shop code is split into smaller sections to make it understandable. This section builds the list of online users. The list is placed inside a card. We also have a button with a badge and an icon. This shows the number of online users we have. For the list, on the options we specify which fields the list should source what to display. We have used an array of objects for the online users. For the recommended users, we also use a list and configure its options to display content exactly how we want it. Let's run the application to see the end result. We have a card with tabs for home and cart. Below that there is a list of top selling plants. We also have a search bar to find a plant. The plant view shows a plant with its attributes. On the right we have online and recommended friends and their messages. As you can see, there are no events linked here as we are just showcasing what we can do with BananoVuetifyAD3. Build Card 2 shows how we built the top selling plants. We used a list with an object array. You will note the sub-names are descriptive as much as possible and the code easy to follow. This is the middle plant view section for one of the plants. And the final output. Thank you, remember to like and subscribe to our channel.